future. Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Today, we have come to another session, another episode of Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala. You hear what I just said? Today, we have come to another session, another episode of Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala. Today, I will be talking on the subject I title, The Mystery of Your Days. Every day in your life, you have to know, not just knowing, to understand that it is your responsibility to understand the day. You hear what I just said? Every day of your life, you have to know, not just know, to understand that it is your responsibility to understand what is going on every day. Just sit back, relax. I'll come back and let you know the mystery of your days.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back. When I say welcome back, you have to know that there's something very important I want to say. When I say this is all about breakthrough talk. It doesn't matter how I put it, but the meaning of what I want to say, I want you to hear it. Every day of your life, you need to see your day as a gift that no one can give to you if not for yourself. You hear what I just said? Every day of your life, you need to see it as a gift that no one can give to you if not for yourself. What I said now can be simple to you, but if you think deeply, you will understand what I just said, that it's not just who you are that matter, but who you will become will be very important to you, so you will not select everything that come into your head as the purpose of why you are living, because a lot of things will come into your head that you do not know why it come into your head. Some of them based on imagination, some of them based on memory, some of them based on the past. So if you know why you are living every day, you see that everything will come alive and you begin to play with your imagination, with your mind, and with your thought life. Those three things are the more powerful things. If you can capture those three things, you are free from every bondage of negativity. The things people call negative become positive to you, because you will not take the negative again. You turn the negative to positive. Every day of your life, you need to see it from that point of view, that you are attacked by just three things, and those three things are blessing to you: your mind, your thoughts, your imagination. Those three things, if you know how to control them, because sometimes they intertwine, and if you don't know them, you'll be living based on the future and the past. You will not have the ability to live in the present. I was talking to my younger brother the other day. I came to Ghana. I was in a hotel. My younger brother came to visit me. He was talking to me about his problem he was going through. I said, man, how can I be deliver people outside? I will not deliver my own house. So I was talking to my younger brother. I told him that this, do this. Everything will be solved. He was looking at me as if I don't know what I'm saying. I was talking to him. Just stay. Recognize this day. Let the past. He keeps talking about the past. I said, let the past be the past. Just focus on this present and see what will happen. He was looking at me as if I don't know what I'm telling him. So I break it down to him. After I finished breaking it down, he was happy. And I said, hey guy, take this one. Go your way. I give him something. When I give him, he put what I give him, cash, in his pocket. This dude went outside my hotel room, was moving. So I entered my car. I started the car. I was driving out. I saw my own brother, my intimate, my younger brother, was moving. The money I give to him fall out of his pocket. He did not even know he was going. He was lost in his mind. I told my friend, Daniel, look at this dude. Look at the money I just gave to him. He fell out of his pocket. My friend was laughing. Somebody that was walking say, hey, Mr. Man, look out. Because I was called, I was even blowing my horn. He was not hearing because he was lost in mind. If you don't focus your attention on the present every day, you lost. And when you lost, you will not understand why things are not working with you. So I said, I've not done the paper's job on my own family. So I begin to talk, I begin to put them into play. Because now, the first person you need to deliver is yourself. If you deliver yourself and those around you are not delivered, you are still in bondage. So I walk on my brother. 2 years later, he was laughing, he was talking to somebody. And I said, why are you laughing? He said, look at that guy I was talking to. That guy was lost in mind, this. And I said, when I was talking to you 2 years ago, what are you doing? And I said, I can see clearly now that what you are telling me then, I could not see. And I said, how can you see it now? He said, I go back to my imagination. I said, what do you mean by your imagination? You don't even know what you're saying. He said, I go back to my past. I said, you don't know what you are saying. We are talking now, we are facing ourselves. And you're telling me we are talking about past. We are talking about imagination. No. You went into your memory and begin to see what I was seeing then. You went into your memory and begin to see what I was seeing then that you could not see. And I say, wow, yeah. You are free from me. It does not mean you are not still in bondage with it. If you identify everything that happened to you every day based on the past, that means you are still a prisoner of the past. If you identify it based on memory, that means you'll be happy. Just hold on, I'll come back and share light on it so you know the mystery of your day. Take care.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Welcome back. Every day you need to know that your days is different from your memory. You hear what I just said? Every day you need to find out and know that your days is different from your memory. Because every day we live to find out who we are. Every day we live to find out who we are. You know, I use repetition a lot so that it can sink in, because a lot of people, they understand but they don't know what they are understanding. You know what I just say? A lot of people understand but they don't know what they are understanding. You can understand what I'm saying, but you need to know it inside of you, that this word that is coming out of this dude talking to you, this person you come in contact with today, because this video coming to your hand not by mistake. You are watching at this video now, not coincident. Because in the realm of destiny, there is no coincidence. It's meant to happen. You hear what I just said? In the realm of destiny, there is no coincidence. It's meant to happen. So if you don't know that this video you are watching now is meant to happen to you, you will not know what is going on. You can understand what I'm saying, but you need to know what is going on. Like I said in my previous video, what is happening can be seen, but what is going on cannot be seen. Right now you are watching me, you are asking yourself, who is this dude talking to? I'm talking to you. This video did not come to you by mistake. So every day you have to understand, when you are living and you are thinking what has happened before, ask yourself, why are you thinking what has happened before? You are thinking about the past. Ask yourself, are you taking the past into the present, or you are allowing the memory to work for you? Because you can use memory, the memory of the past, the things that you're supposed to do, that is part of your destiny that you have not done. When the memory kick in and brought those things to the present, you have to see it from the realm of memory. So every day you need to understand there's part different. You know what I said? Every day there's part different between what is going on and what is happening. And if you don't know those things, you will not live to find out who you are. Because a lot of people have lived life up to a place that they don't even understand what they are doing again. And then begin to speak in the realm of parable, teaching the younger one that if I have it all over to do again, how do I know? 3 days ago, I told my driver, I just want to walk out, just myself. I don't want anybody to drive me. I took an Uber. On my way going, I look at the Uber driver. He's old enough to be my father. I asked him, did you know this thing? He was so happy talking to me. And I said, If a younger one enter this your car and ask you, tell me like 4 things that will make me become somebody in life. Say, do not go after people things, do not do this, do not do that. It was so happy talking to me. But when I say, can you tell me 3 things you regret about your life? It was Steve. Could not say anything again, was just driving. I was asking, he was just driving. You can tell the energy of what is going on inside of him. He could not say anything. And I emphasize on that word. Sir, can you tell me 3 things that you can say you regret? If you have life to live all over again, you won't do this, you won't do this. For about 45 minutes, I was in his car. He could not say one thing. So he was just living the days without even thinking about memory, did not think about anything. It's like it's hiding behind shame, it's hiding behind fear, because that question is a both question. Answer is waiting for you if you have the right question. So you see that man, he has a lot of things that is going on inside of him. Immediately I asked that question, he could not say it. So be careful how you live your life, so that tomorrow the young people will not ask you a question that will make you feel uncomfortable. So every day you have to live your life and have something that you can say, this day I'm fulfilled. Look at what I'm doing right now. This is part of the purpose why I'm coming to this earth. A lot of people today, they don't follow their purpose. And when you don't follow your purpose, you cannot see your destiny clearly, because your destiny is in your hand. So you need to follow your purpose so that your destiny can unfold itself. Why am I saying this? This is why I came into this earth. That is the reason why I'm saying it. This is what I was meant to do. That's what I'm doing right now. Just ask yourself every day, the things that is wrong with me right now, is it outside of me? Did I generate it with my imagination inside of me, or did it come out of me? Because you are trying to see a lot of things that you don't need to see. And when you see them, because you are not meant to see them, you will not know them. You know what I just said? You are trying to see a lot of things that you are not meant to see. And when you finally see them, you will not know that you have seen them, because you are not meant to see them at the first place. And if you don't see those things every day, you will not know. Let me just go and come back and tell you, I break it down. That thing I just said. What you need to know, what you need to see, and what you need to understand. I'll put it together now and I'll break it down for you. Just hold on. Give me a minute.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Welcome back. Like as I was just saying, every day you need to know the importance of your days through the eye of understanding. You hear what I said? Every day you need to know the importance of your days through the eye of understanding. The eye of understanding. If your eye of understanding is enlightened, you will see your days not from the realm of people talking about you, people doing this, people doing that, people doing that, because that is what I see every day with this world. That's why I have this thing inside of me. I took time to study it. For more than a decade now, I've been studying the way people relate, to each other. What they see is that this, that, what people say about the world. What did you say about yourself? This is Breakthrough Talk. Ask yourself every day, what did you say about yourself? What am I saying to myself? What is hindering me? What is making me go forward in life? What is making me stand still? If you can ask yourself those questions, one thing that will happen to you, you will see that those things you think that you even desire has nothing to do with you. Because a lot of people today, they don't understand what is happening. If you don't understand what is happening, you will follow your desire. And when you follow your desire, you will not know what is happening. But if you allow your destiny to unfold himself, your desire will come to you without you even realizing it. Do you hear what I just said? When you allow your destiny to unfold himself and you go with what is happening, at the same time, you see what is going on. What is happening, you can see them all. What is going on, you will not see them clearly. Because that one you are seeing it with the eye of your understanding, not with these two eyes you used to look at me now. The eye of your understanding is the most important thing you can live on every day. Things will be happening to you. You'll be laughing. That same thing that is happening to other people, that is making them feel uncomfortable, you'll be laughing over it because of what? You see it as a stepping stone to where you are going to. So until you accept that which is not real, you will not know that which is real. Do you hear what I just say? Until you accept that which is not real, you will not know that which is real. You see why I said it? When you accept that those things that you think you need and you don't actually need them, those things are not real. You know you cannot touch me right now. You know that when you cannot touch me, but you are seeing me. You are not seeing me physically, but you are seeing me with the eye of your understanding. You know this person. When you see me physically now, you can come and meet me and touch me. And touching me physical does not mean you still see me, because until you see me in the realm of the spirit, that means you have really seen who I am. So until you put yourself in other people's shoes, you will not know who they are. A lot of people will fight to be your friend. When they become your friend, they will see that you are not worthy to become their friend. They fight their way to become your friend. But now they see you that you are not worthy to become their friend because they don't know themselves. So when you see those things inside of you, you know the importance of why you are living every day. And when you know the importance of why you are living, your life will be meaningful. You will see things from different kind of view. You will be laughing. I do my teaching, you know, I said every day. So today, ask yourself, what have I done? If you don't understand who you are today, you cannot understand who you are tomorrow. You cannot understand who you are yesterday. Try to understand who you are today. When you understand who you are today, you will know that the mystery of how you live is ever present. Despite for your will for it to be otherwise, you understand just one thing, and that one thing is your own responsibility to understand what you need to understand. You hear what I just said? I said you understand just one thing every day, and that one thing is your responsibility to understand what you need to understand, because a lot of people don't understand the responsibility of why they are living every day. So they set their imagination based on the past, based on the future. If I can do this, if I can do this. You tell yourself, if you can do this, you understand, and you'll be living in the realm of wanting to do something. Why people are doing something, but you are wanting to do something. And when you stay in the realm of wanting to do something, that means you are living in another world. And in another world, they do things different. In this world you are living, you will do things the way you're supposed to be doing things. If you understand that it is your responsibility to understand what you need to understand. Mother Teresa made a quote. He said, we should talk less. I still have many things to say to you, but you cannot bear them now. I repeat again, as Mother Teresa said, a pushing point is not a meeting point. You see what I just said? Because it's my responsibility for me to understand what I read. A great leader, Mother Teresa said, a pushing point is not a meeting point. So I talked to my student and I asked them that, can you define this word for me? He said he cannot define, because what you lack understanding. So if it's your responsibility for you to understand what you need to understand, when you read something, you have to go deeper beyond the surface of the line of what you read. A meeting point is different from a preaching point. I'm talking now. Everything I say, I've put into practice. He has worked for me. So because he worked for me, I teach. I don't teach what I just read. I go deeply. Do you know the meaning of what he just said? A preaching point is not a meeting point. That means if you say something, back it up with what you said. Do what you say. Meet the word you said with your action. You know what I just said? Meet a pushing point. You can say, I want to do that, I want to do this, or meet the obligation of what you said now. So you understand what that lady is trying to say? A great leader, a pushing point is not a what? A meeting point. You understand? If you push, you open your mouth and say something, you cannot do it. That means you don't meet what you said. Always commit yourself to understand what is happening to you every day. Like I said, I still have many things to say, but you cannot be here now. Share this video, make somebody happy. Just do something positive. Share this video. Tell everybody that want to hear something about himself every day to hear about this video. Don't allow yourself to be manipulated. If you waste your data in hearing things that will add to your life, that means you are understanding, because understanding comes from hearing. You keep understanding. Before you know, you start, you'll be in the realm of doing. When you are in the realm of doing, now you're surprised that everything you need will be coming to you. Left and right will just be coming to you. Ask yourself, why all these things? These are the things I'm looking for before, because now you have left your desire and go after your purpose. You understand? Because the one that created you put the desire there. But don't worry, the desire of what you are looking for will come to you. But go after your purpose with the realm of imagination of your destiny. Because your food every day, a lot of us, it's destiny for you to see me today. It's destiny for this video to come to you. It's not by mistake. Like I said, in the realm of destiny, there is no coincidence. There is no mistake. Everything happened for a reason. That's destiny. In other realm, there's coincidence. But in the realm of destiny, there is no coincidence. So believe it or not. Believe everything. That's those who have seen the truth. Take care. Talk to you next time. Come on, brother.